MBA students need to become proficient with Excel. Most of the MBA Math course content is embedded in the specific lessons covering finance, economics, and statistics. All we're doing in this initial Excel lesson is getting people comfortable with the very basics. If you're already experienced with Excel, then you can quickly prove that by taking the pre-quiz. If you're not experienced, then you'll find that you can walk through 3 different categories of lessons. The first are just getting you secure on the basic arithmetic operators, how to enter formulas in Excel and do some very basic things in a spreadsheet. The second category help you to learn how to summarize data. So you'll be summing, getting the product of, and taking the average of a set of numbers. The third category gets more into the kind of work you'll do in your MBA courses, where you're going to read a scenario situation and you're going to be representing that in a spreadsheet and answering a couple of basic questions. The initial decision in going through the material is which of the 2 narrated lectures to watch. The beginner narrated lecture has embedded screencast demos where I walk you through and you can see click by click how to solve a problem from scratch. If you don't need that level of detail, you can use the intermediate narrated lecture where I just show screenshots and then speak to the major elements of the spreadsheet, but don't show you everything. So make that choice and you can proceed. You can switch if you need to. The drill exercise solutions are where you'll then pick up the Excel content. For each exercise, that's true in this lesson and in the later lessons you'll get to, you'll find the detailed solution has its own narrated tutorial that helps you understand the structure of that particular spreadsheet. If you need to understand it all, you can proceed from beginning to end. If all you need is a little bit of help with one aspect of the spreadsheet, but you're basically secure, then you can open up that same tutorial and you'll see numbered buttons for the basic elements of each spreadsheet, and you can just click the button corresponding to the issue that you want to see in more detail, and you'll be able to hear me walk you through and explain it and see a blown up screenshot of that lesson. The key thing here is that as you go through the work, you need to be building the spreadsheets yourself. So building a template and then reusing some template from another problem isn't going to give you the same proficiency as building that spreadsheet from scratch. So make sure as you're setting up those spreadsheets that you separate your inputs from your calculations. That's one of the key things you'll see over and over, and I want to emphasize here at the beginning. Don't embed your numbers in your formulas. Keep your imports up top and then keep your calculations down at the bottom.